Anyway, this is Don Derwin, and that is my newly built house. It has a big crack in it. But what happened was, yeah, don't let this happen to you. Put rebar in it and fill the holes with some concrete. Because what happened on mine, I didn't, all I had up there was this. I didn't finish the house yet. All I had was the first, just the floor on, and backfilled it up to about here. And I also got these little ants that are eating my house up. These are the ants that are eating my house. That's it. They're eating my wood up. I hope that sucker's dead. Yeah, they're eating my house up there. They ate it all up. Ate up all my wood. I had to replace the beam. But yeah, I don't know, man. That's bad stuff. God, I can't believe one of those ants are still here. I hope I killed it. But anyway, I was sleeping at night. You know, it's been here for like 9 years. I was sleeping at night, and down here, the whole wall moved over. You can see it moved over. Oh, let's turn the thing the wrong way to find the ant. But the whole wall moved over 3/4 of an inch. All along here. Oh, it even cracked there. And it took me a while to figure out what to do about that, you know. I was thinking about it for a couple of years. And I was like, how am I supposed to fix that? I was trying to call Mason, but nobody responded to my call. You see it even cracked here. The whole wall moved over 3/4 of an inch, and you know, and it's in too. If you look here this way, it's bowing in. See the board's bowing in. I'm like, how do I fix that? You know, like take it apart and redo it all. That would be a major job there, you know. Yeah, those little red ants. Here's one of them right here. You can get a close up on these suckers. That one's a dead one. But they're eating my wood. They're red. That thing is dead. But I killed like about 2,000 of them. They were all eating my beam. I had to replace my whole beam. That whole beam there, I put treated wood. There I had a beam, you know, like that. They were eating the wood. They got a little rotted and they started eating my beam. But anyway, as far as this wall, so I was sleeping at night, you know, I was sleeping next door, the other, I'm like making an addition, I was sleeping over there. That is, where the bedroom is over there. Our little cabin, this is the little addition. And I hear a big, you know, at night. Oh wow, wow, you can even see, wow, it's even there, look at that. Yeah, I'll be sitting when it's like 25 below zero. be like, and I'm like, geez, you know, how does someone fix something like that, you know? I was thinking, you know, have to redo it all. But I'm like, well, that would probably cost a lot of money. It already cost a lot of money to put it in. But there's no rebar in there. None. You know, in the brick layers. And this other wall too, this one is here. But there may be one rebar in there. In the whole wall. And that's why I moved over, because they don't put no rebars in them. So what I done to repair that, I mean the wall moved over, so nothing I can do about moving it back. I'm trying to maybe push it back or something with something. But even then, see, that's where the house that I was living before. And so I'm like, well, you know, I gotta take this up anyway because these wood. Oh, I forgot to get a flashlight. The wood was rotted at that little section right there because it's been here for like 9 years. And two, the ants were living in this insulation in here and there. That insulation, they made little homes in there, eating my wood up. Those little ants eat your wood. The red ones, then a little black. I had to replace my whole beam. See that beam, I had to replace it to green wood. I put it treated wood this time. Because I noticed that the treated wood, they had a hard time chewing into. You know, the treated wood, but the regular wood, once it got a little rotted, or you know, water been on it, they just started eating away at it. You know, there's like 2,000 of them. I sucked them all up with the vacuum cleaner, and then sprayed a bunch of ant killer. But it took me a while to figure out how to do this, so so see, that's, oh, I still got some stuff in there here. See, I had all these beads in there before. Those beads for insulation. I had to suck all those out with the vacuum cleaner. And it wasn't so easy. It took me about 3 days. Actually, that was the worst part of the job. And so this one is all sucked out here. I think I'm gonna just go put those beads in there. Back, this is no problem. I think this one will be alright. But I sucked all the beads out. And you can see all the way down there. Sucked all those beads out, and I put rebar in there. And fill it up with concrete. And this one I filled up with concrete. I filled all these up. I filled that one with concrete, that one all the way, that one, that one, that one, that one, rebar and concrete. This one. think I'm going to leave some of them open. This one I didn't finish yet. They got a rebar in there. But anyway. Then I'm going to leave every other one here open. Leave that one. I'll put those beads back in. Those are all the beads I sucked all out of there. Then because I had to replace this board anyway, so I had to redo this whole thing. So that's the way that this definitely will repair it. The wall's not going to move anymore. It took me like 4 days. I think this is my 4th day of working, like 12, 15 hour day, or at least 12, 15 hour days, you know, going to the store and getting concrete. Did like 36 bags of concrete. I still got a couple left. Using the cement mixer here. But then I had this vacuum cleaner. I sucked them all out, and I had to buy this vacuum cleaner, and then sucked them all out. I got this, put the hose on there. Got some duct tape. Because I used the big hose at first, and then I used this little hose. But this little hose, things get clogged in it. So it's really slow going. But the big hose will work really fast, except it can't get down there. The big hose cannot get down to the bottom. The little hose is the only one that'll go, but it gets clogged with the, concrete, mason drops, that they spilt, and then also that styrofoam. These things get clogged in it. These things here, they get clogged here. This is one of them that was clogged up. See, they clogged up in that little hose. That's what took so long. It took like 4 days. It probably did take me about 3 or 4 days at least. So finally I'm finished. So anyway, I just wanted to show everybody my problem there that I had, and so if anybody has, that problem and they don't know what to do about it, that's a solution to it. But see, it was I had them backfill it, right away, because it was open, and I told them to backfill it. But this one is still not backfilled yet. But I don't have the house on it yet. I had to rip off all the boards because they were rotten, because they're getting waterlogged. But now I got a lot of treated wood, and I'm using plywood, that oriented strand board, that stuff. It's nothing but wood chips. It just, turns into nothing. Look at this. That's what it is. It's just wood chips. That stuff. It's just, that's all it's amounted to here. Wood chips. Just a bunch of wood chips, man. That's all it is here. This is what it is right here. Wood chips. Just, I'll never ever buy this stuff again. They charge like $35, $40 a sheet for this stuff, And all this is wood chips. Look at it. I'll never do that again. Now I'm using plywood. I got some treated over there for the bathroom. I'm going to put in there. Now I'm just using 3/4 inch plywood. So anyway, just wanted to make a little video of my problem that I got here, and hopefully well, I'm sure it's not going to move anymore. But put some mortar on that crack and stuff, and nobody will ever know it's there. So anyway, I hope you liked the video about yeah, those ants. Yeah, those are the worst things. I sucked them all up with the vacuum cleaner and took them out in the woods. There's like 2,000 of them. They're eating all my wood. See, that's what I replaced right there. That's the beam. That's the one beam. I use treated wood because I seen that they eat less into the. I mean, they don't really chew into that wood. For some reason, they don't do it. It looks like they try, but they don't get very far. So that's why I put treated wood there. And I don't know, I'm going to get some ant killer stuff, sprinkle it around the house or something. But man, those things are bad news. And I just killed one of those. I didn't get a close-up view of it, but God, thought I killed them all. But I just seen one. But anyway, hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching. See you later. Give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something from the video, and don't let this happen to you. Actually, tell your bricklayers to put rebar on them and fill, some more of those holes up. And that's what I had on my plans, but I says, don't worry about it. But, you know what? Hit myself in the head with a 2x4. And, just feel like if they filled 4 of them up with concrete, or even me, that wall would never move and I wouldn't have this problem. But anyway, thanks for watching. Okay, bye. Okay, see ya. Hope you liked the video.